Welcome! In today's video, we'll show you how to set the reference point on your system. We'll use an RTC system as an example. For RTC systems, we recommend using the lunette at the front of the Parkstation. On an RSI, you can use the teaching lunette of the tray holder. This point should always stay the same. That way, all tools are calibrated to the same location, making checks and recalibrations easier over time. In the installation wizard, look for the option called Set Reference Point. Click it. The PAL system will now move the robot arm into position and activate the drives. Carefully lower the tool until it's just above the reference point. Don't press all the way down, leave a small gap of air. While pushing down, you'll feel a bit of resistance. That's normal. Do not press too hard. Pushing past this resistance might damage the needle. Now use the terminal to fine-tune the position. Start with the x-axis, that's left and right. Continue then with the y and z-axis. Stand in front of the Parkstation and adjust the value so the needle guide is centered in the lunette. Adjust the height value so the needle guide just touches the reference point. Then go one step up on the terminal so it's not touching directly. Once everything looks good, click Next and then OK. The arm will return to its home position. Now pull the safety shield back down. You're done. The reference point is now set.